I'm doing an unboxing of my Starbucks Reserve items that I got from my friend in Japan at Starbucks Reserve Seattle. So it's so fun. Like I wanted to do this for a long time. Since I got this, I feel like I need the right place to open this. So kind of just spreading out the stuff I got. So right here behind me, there's the coffee. I got the Papua New Guinea coffee with heavy whipping cream. It's so good. But my boyfriend had the Kenya. It's really fruity. Anyway, so these are kind of like my haul. Actually, there's one more. This is like the entire package of my haul from Starbucks Reserve Japan. So let's see, which one should I open first? I think let's start with the rose sticker. It is so adorable. I like this minimalistic design of this set of sticker. It's got like the aprons, the cups. It's just very cool. Hello, good morning. Where are y'all tuning in from? So apparently you kind of like do this. You can peel it off. And then once you're done, you kind of like scoot it back in here. So very adorable. Oh, it's coming out too much. Hello. Starbucks Reserve. And I also got the masking tape. Okay. It's got like the same minimalistic logos. So let me just try to unpack this carefully. I need scissors. Today I'm coming here for a journaling session with a friend, so I brought everything, and if it's applicable, we might even do another live later. And that would be our Taiwanese stationery haul. So I got these from Japan, Tokyo, and they chose to do like a light pink background to the washi tapes. And here are the things. Too bad it says Tokyo, because I'm in the Starbucks Reserve in Seattle right now. But isn't the apron cute? I feel like I could use this to symbolize, work in process. And like this just for like the morning coffee, when I do the iced coffee, shopping bags. I could use this for a lot of things. So here we go. So one other pretty thing I got is the brass tag. It has the Starbucks Reserve symbols. And again, made at the press factory in Japan, because Traveler's Notebook is so close to the Starbucks Reserve in Tokyo and Nakameguro, so I think they really was wise to come up with this collaboration. And obviously they're famous for their brass tags that you can adorn your Traveler's Notebook. Hey Diane, look at me, I'm unboxing Starbucks Reserve items in Starbucks Reserve, but in Seattle, but this is from Japan obviously. So what else did I get? This fun thing I got is also one of their Starbucks Reserve collection. And look at that. It's one of their cardboard collector book, but it's just so cool. Usually it comes in the caramel cardboard texture, but this one is like gray, a cool gray. It's just so fancy. And then the binding is kind of like a rosy brass. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I think I will use this to store sticker sheets that I want to bring out, instead of bring the whole book. So yeah, and then this one says Starbucks Reserve. All right, the final holy grail. Of course, I had to get the Traverse Notebook itself, and I have not had a camel original size. I had the PA size, but unfortunately I was one of those who got like the bad batch where the color is like so dark it very quickly turned brown, like the more I used it. So I never really got to enjoy like what the actual camel color is like. So that's why I decided, if I'm gonna get one with the Starbucks Reserve logo on it, I'm gonna go for one in camel. If they had blue, I would have gone for blue too, but oh well. So the Kameru is what it says. Oh, I get an insert too. Whoa. I love that it has like the Starbucks Reserve collaboration thing on it. All right, bye, Diane. So, are you ready for the unboxing? Oops. I love that they use these like kind of like recyclable packaging. That makes it so special. So, oh my god. Yes, I love that they come with like the green cord strand. It's like the best combo. Hey, hello. Alrighty. I have to like take this out because this could be used too as like another cord inside. Hello. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so supple. It's been so long since I've touched like a new leather cover. Oh my goodness, the camel is so beautiful. Okay, are you guys ready? This is now the highlight. Yeah! It's a Starbucks Reserve Roastery. Whew. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay! So I think, the camel looks so good. I think it comes with like an empty insert. Yeah, you're right. It comes with a blank insert. I love the camel cord that's like that goes through it, but I might swap this out for the green, just for the aesthetics. And now I'm gonna have to install this onto the camel. So this is gonna be my cafe Traverse Notebook. Yay! So that's pretty much it. Wow.